Oh, I am excited. I just opened up this box not knowing. I had totally forgot that I ordered a Wibargain.com mystery box. This is a shoe returns premium from Target. I can't wait. It's supposed to be 20 pair of shoes in there, and sometimes we get surprises. I'm not sure. I opened it, and when I realized it was shoes, I was like, oh, let me do this video so we can see what I got in there exactly. I'm supposed to get 2 more boxes. I'll do videos as soon as I get them. I think I got an Amazon return, premium return, and I think I got an electronic one. We'll wait and see. So here it is, Wibargain.com, and some shoes. So I've got a spoon. Wow. Okay, we have a size 10 universal thread boots. Okay. Oh, look at that. They come in boxes and all. Look at that. Got like Converse kind of thing. Okay. These look good so far. These are not used at all. So, very good condition. These look brand spanking new. And look at these. These are pretty. Okay. Sandals. So what I have noticed is all big sizes. So I guess this is stuff that doesn't sell and is left for clearance. Some are returned. We got actually a little small. This is a smaller size pair of sandals here. Let's see. Size 8. Also big. They're 8, 9, and 10s so far. But these are hard to find pair of shoes here. It says retail $14.99. These are 9.5. Again, very big shoes. I'm a size 5. I'm tiny. But let me see. Ooh, it's a size 7. Oh, these will fit my daughter. She'll have a pair of new sandals right here. Perfect. Okay. Well, these are more boots. Let's see what's going on here. Let's see. Brand a new day. Most of these that I got is that brand. Oh, these are pretty cool, dude. $34.95 retail value. Very nice. I'll be able to sell these. eBay, Mercari. This is a good deal so far. Okay. More of these big ones. Let's see. Got more of these like Converse looking ones. Let's open this up. Sorry guys for the video. I'm using one hand here. So these are more of the sandals. Let's see what the retail. $14.99. Again, all these are big sizes. The smallest I see is a size 7, which is the same as I was showing you earlier. Those sandals. Okay, and then these are the same as the leopards, but very nice. And I think this is a very good deal. I will definitely buy from them again. And these are worth $22.99. I am very happy with this box. I'm waiting for 2 boxes. See what's going on and where they're at, because I have not received them. All right. Sorry for the little bit of shaking. I promise I will get a tripod and open up those new boxes. This is from Wibargain.com, $35 Target shoebox. I love it. Have a good day. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to watch more videos.